To measure heart rate using Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, first of all, you will have to click on the crown control button, and between all of those apps, you have to search for the heart rate icon and heart rate application. You will have to just tap on it once, and there's this short information. We have to click next. If you are opening this for the first time, you will have to put your watch on the wrist, get snug fit to let sensors stick with your skin. Also, make sure that you don't have tattoos on your wrist. If you have over here some tattoos, then you will have to just use it upside down like that, or just simply put it on your second hand, on your right or the left hand, or you can additionally put it a little bit higher. It's very important. And right now we have to just wait for measuring. Over here we'll get some current heart rate. When you scroll like so, we can find heart rate range, resting heart rate, and walking average.